My name is Christopher Rush. I actually work for a company named Wireless Generation, but I'm serving as co-founder and chief product officer for a project called School of One. I think personalized instruction is a key to this. Being able to meet a student with what they need on a given day, keeping their attention, amazingly cuts down on all sorts of other issues. Behavioral, why do kids act out in the first place? So I think personalized instruction can take many shapes and forms, and I think our version of it is a step in the process. It's not the final answer, but it is an answer, and hopefully we'll learn from it and continue to shape the future. So the school day of the future, well, for me, it's now, right? Because we have started a program that is in 3 middle schools in New York City. We just started with math, but we can easily imagine it expanding to other subjects and other areas. And the idea is to reschedule each student each day for what they need. So if you were learning adding fractions on a particular day, and you got it, you don't need to sit through another class on adding fractions because some other people in the classroom didn't get it. If you didn't get it, you don't have to be afraid to raise your hand, because if you get rescheduled for it again the next day, everybody else is in that situation. In fact, everybody is in a classroom on any given day learning something that they didn't know. And that can play out in many different ways. It can be you in front of a teacher, it could be you by yourself, it could be you working with some other students on a hands-on activity. There are many different ways to learn, and students have many different interests, and I think the rest of society has started to personalize for whatever it is that you want, and I don't think school should be any different.